Hello there and welcome to day 10 of my 100 days of practice. So today, well, you can see I'm continuing with these letters, these stencils that I got the other day that I'm really enjoying. So today what I thought I would work on is my color mixing, and also I wanted to do a winter scene because it's been snowing for 3 days and we've had a winter storm warning since Sunday night, I think. Yeah, so we're just getting a bunch of snow, which compared to Montana it's not that much, but it's unusual for, well, is it unusual? Oh, maybe we get snow like this every 5 years or so. So usually it snows and goes. Doesn't last 24 hours, but this has been going on for a couple days, so that's unusual. Okay, so here you can see that I'm just showing you that I'm preparing this gouache palette with white and primary yellow and a primary blue, and rose tyrene is my magenta, and I'm working on my color mixing skills, and also I wanted to work on a landscape. And okay, so looking at this video, one thing that would have probably been better is if I had put a piece of paper on the bottom of that clear palette that I was using to mix my colors on. It just would have probably helped out a little bit other than the black, but it kind of looks cool on the black though, doesn't it? So you can see here I was struggling trying to get a black, right? Which normally I just mix any number of colors, but that maroon with the green. But here, you know, utilizing 3 colors, I'd think about the blue and the yellow to make green, and then add the magenta to make the black, and you know, it took a minute, but I got it. So as I'm looking through my reference photo, which is off camera and you can't see it, but it is a photo that I took a couple winters ago, about 5 winters ago, I guess. And so it's quite a blue cast from the snow, very blue photo. So I am working on my skin tones, which it looks okay here, but as I was doing it, it looked really dull and not healthy looking, and like a little more pink into my skin. But you know, that's why I'm doing this, right? 100 days of practice. Well, I think I tried to practice too many things here actually on this day. Was not only my color mixing, but then also the landscape painting, and I just enjoyed that color, so I decided to paint my shirt that color. But really my shirt's pretty much 95% of the time black. I have enough black t-shirts that I don't even have to wash my clothes for 2 weeks. Now I won't run out of black t-shirts. I apparently have a fetish with black t-shirts, and that's what I wear almost 95% of the time. Black t-shirts, they're easy. I get really hot, so I can't be in anything that's too heavy, and t-shirts okay in the winter. And I don't know, black's my color. I feel comfortable wearing black, and so that's what I wear. But it's not the same black t-shirt. I change my t-shirt every day. I'm slowly, as I'm getting older, transitioning to all black. I don't know what the deal is, but I like it. Okay, so here you see I'm trying to make some pine trees. And the reference photo that I have is from, a photo I had a couple years ago when we went to go cut our Christmas tree. And in the center there was this bright light coming through the shadow, and it was just, the contrast is so beautiful of this golden glow coming from the forest. It's all deep blues and dark greens and covered in snow. And so that's what I was trying to capture here, which I will just tell you right off the top that didn't quite capture it like I wanted to, but hey, you know, that's why I'm practicing, right? And I was just trying to grab all those colors in there that is emanating out from where that sunlight is coming through those trees along the path. And just like always, you know, I don't want to say never, but not fully satisfied. But hey, you know what? I mean, this is real life. This is learning and growing, and as I was working through this painting, I thought, you know, probably would have been, I'd probably have a better result if I just worked on one thing at a time and not everything all at once. And I could have used a different brush on those pine trees too. That would have made a difference. Like, I don't know, flat brush or fan brush or any one of these other brushes that I own, right? But anyway, yeah. So I've really been enjoying gouache lately, and so that's what I've been kind of obsessing over. Oh, I need to get some new gouache. Oh my gosh, you know, but the truth is I have so much paint, it's ridiculous. I don't really need any more gouache. I have plenty of gouache. So I, again, you know, working on my color mixing, and maybe I don't have the right mix of primaries, because my, you know, that yellow, the hair color was just little, it's just a little more ash than I was wanting at the time. And then I just decided, you know what, I'm going to put in a green sky. I don't care. But really, in the reference photo, the sky's almost white. And in real life today, I look out my window, the sky's almost white. It's just a slightly different, darker value than the snow on the trees. And that's just the nature of it snowing all day. And the sky is white and almost as white as the snow on the trees. So hey, as always, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a positive review, blah, blah, blah. All those things you do on the internet cost you nothing but mean a lot in the interwebs. Thank you. Bye. See you tomorrow.